Hey YouTube, thought I might as well do a little bike check today since there's nothing to do because you guys probably don't know, I broke my scaphoid in my thumb area. So that sucks, probably gonna be out for about 3 months. But anyway, here's my Santa Cruz Nomad 2018 and this is the Nomad CC carbon model. Yeah, so let's check it out, starting with the bars. Alright, the bars that I'm running on this bike are these rental bars. They're around 20 mil rise, maybe 10 mil. And yeah, so they're carbon. And I think they are 760 wide, I believe. So pretty small, but it's all pretty good. I like them. Running ODI Aaron Gwyn grips. For the brakes, I'm running these SRAM Code RSCs. For the dropper post, I'm running a RockShox Reverb. Super sick, I love it, and it's fast. Moving on to the fork, I'm running a RockShox Lyric. For the front and rear rail, I'm running these Santa Cruz Reserves. Now moving on to the tires, I'm running a Maxxis Minion DHF in the front and a Maxxis Minion DHR in the rear. Oh yeah, this one is 2.4. This one up here is a 2.5. Oh yeah, I completely forgot the shifter. It's a SRAM Eagle. It's the XO. Yeah, I don't really know, that was probably not too good. I'm horrible at bike checks. Right now the seat I'm running is a WTB Silverado. I think I'm gonna switch it because it hurts my butt a ton. I really want to switch it. I would want to tell you guys what cranks I'm running, but no one's ever told me, like, I'm confused, but I will tell you my pedals. I'm running these Crank Brothers stamps, large. I think, yeah, it's the Danny McCaskill edition on this one. And I love them. They're super big and the grippiest pedal you'll ever ride if you get them. I think I'm running 200 rotors, 200 mil rotors. Yeah, I think so. I think the back may be 180, but I'm pretty sure it's 200. For the shock, I'm running a RockShox Super Deluxe, and I'm running a 12-speed. Oh yeah, you guys may be wondering what this wrap is. It's I got this bike used, so it came with the bike, but like the brand is all mountain style. It is super sick. They make all sorts of designs. I'd highly recommend it, and it's like frame protection. Super good. It's durable. Drive chain. So this is the SRAM. Not sure if it'll focus. 32 tooth Eagle technology. So yeah, Santa Cruz frame, bottle cage, nothing really too much special attention to it. I don't know. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video.